Srinath. My roll number is 19BQ19043. Today I want to discuss about the concept of simple form of radar equation and the advantages of the radar transmission. First of all, it is nothing but PT is nothing but transmitter power, and D is nothing but directivity, R is nothing but range, E is nothing but antenna gain, and sigma is nothing but radial cross section area, A is nothing but aperture area of the antenna, S minimum is nothing but minimum defectable signal. For example, a radar system is transmitting a power towards the target and a determination of with availability target by an omnidirectional antenna is nothing but power density is equal to Pt by 4 pi r square omega by m square. The antenna is having a gain G, and then the power density available at the target by directional antenna. Then the power density becomes Pt into G by 4 pi r square omega by m square. The target reflects the power will having the radar cross section area sigma towards the radar. The power density available at the radar power density is equal to Ptg by 4 pi r square into sigma by 4 pi r square. The power absorbed by the radar antenna S is nothing but Ptg by 4 pi r square into sigma by 4 pi r square into Ae. S is nothing but Ptg sigma Ae by 4 pi r square whole power r power 4 into watts. Coming to by doing mathematical calculations and simplifying by R side, and then we get Pt into G into sigma into Ae by 4 pi square into S whole power 1 by 4. We know that gain is equal to 4 pi by lambda square into A. By substituting the gain in the range equation, then we will get as the following equation, that is nothing but Pt A square lambda by 4 pi delta square S into 1 by 4. We know that aperture effective aperture is nothing but G lambda square by 4 pi. By substituting this in the range equation, again we will get the expression as a Pt into G square lambda square by sigma 4 pi whole cube into S whole power 1 by 4. If S becomes a minimum, then R becomes a maximum. If transmitting power is double, then R range becomes 1.18 times. Coming to the applications of radar, there are so many applications of radar. In the military, it is the radars are used for naval, ground, as well as air defense and so on. It is used for tracking and surveillance purpose of weapon law enforcement. Law enforcement is nothing but especially used for highway police stations during the calculating during an pursuit to calculate the speed of the vehicle due to the load weather conditions, when the satellite cannot get the image of traffic, and radars are used to get the results. Coming to space, radars in satellites are used for remote sensing. Radars are used to track and detect satellites and spacecraft. They are also used for safely landing and spacecraft. Remote sensing of environment, that just like various types of waves are issued by an antenna, this technology is also used to detect weather conditions of the atmosphere. It is also used for details of the atmosphere and for tracking the motion of the planets, asteroids and other celestial bodies in the solar system. It is nothing but simply the weather conditions of the atmosphere and other things. Coming to aircraft navigation, ground mapping and weather conditions, radars are used in aircraft to navigate them properly. This technology is used for the location of obstacles that can threaten the flight in the airplane. In military, it is used for naval, ground, as well as defense purpose and surveillance purpose. Finally, the radars are used in so many applications. They are also used in not only aircraft navigation, they are also used in ships, used for tracking the speed of the water and location and weather conditions about the sea while traveling them, and knowing about the distance of the other ships or any other region which is available in the sea, to track them and to measure the distance between them, and also to calculate the speed of water. So it is also used in ship navigation and also used in air space and empowerment. It is nothing but it is used to know the details of the atmosphere. Finally, the radars are the most used applications in our daily life applications, and many other applications they are mostly used. Finally, I conclude that this topic as radar is very important to our livelihood. Thank you.